Hey there, Kara here, and I'm back with another Genny tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about fulfilling and shipping an order. So this is great. You have your first order in. Now what do you do? We're starting on our Genny dashboard, and you can see here a little digest of what's going on. We have one order with one product. We have our breakdown of our total earnings and of our commissions and then our recent orders and our top sold product. So it's going to be the caramel bonbon gift box that we're going to be shipping out. So let's go ahead and view that order. So we're going to go to my orders, view orders, and we're going to check out what's going on. So you can see here it gives us a little status breakdown. We only have one order, it's our first order, so our payment status has been paid. The shipment status is you have not shipped it yet. And accepting the order means it's open, meaning you have not accepted it or rejected the order yet. So we're going to do all of those today. So you're going to go ahead and say view. Now we're looking at a snapshot of the order. You can review this information. You can see here that we had a personalization on this gift box because we had the personalized tag on. So they wanted us to add a white ribbon. So this, for example, would be if you had personalized on and someone wanted to add their name or they wanted a certain font, you'd see that information right here. But we can see a little digest of the order breakdown. It's $2. This order status is pending, but it's been paid. Another little breakdown of your earnings, the billing information of the customer, the shipping information. So if you ever need to get in contact with a customer, you have all of that there for them. So if this looks great to you, if you're ready to ship it, you can do accept and fulfill the order. If there's something with the order that you're like, ooh, I can't fulfill this order for X, Y, and Z reasons, you can reject the order and you'll be able to give the customer a reason why you're rejecting the order. And they'll get an email notifying them of that and they will get a refund. So there's always the option of that. But today we're just going to accept and fulfill an order. And we only have one product with one quantity. So, yep, that looks great. Perfect. And again, it's saying, hey, we only have one of these and you're selecting one. Say this person ordered five of them, but we are only able to ship two at this time. We would say, okay, we're only going to ship two right now. Best practice is definitely shipping all of them all at once, but that is an option. So we're shipping one of one. We're going to ship everything now, and we're going to select our USPS shipping. This is the only method that we do accept at Genny is USPS shipping. This is because we pay and generate the shipping label for you, so you don't have to worry about any of that. So you're just going to check USPS shipping. You're going to enter the weight and dimension of the product. So this is when the product is in its final state of packed and you have all your bubble wrap and brown paper and all that kind of stuff all in the box. So say this box is a 6 by 6 by 6 and the weight of it is 1 pound. We'll go ahead and tell USPS that, and it's going to calculate real-time USPS rates to make sure we're really accurate and the postage is correct. So we'll just let that go ahead and think. Perfect. So here are our shipping rates. The customer chose at checkout USPS ground advantage packing. So that is what we're going to choose. And then we're just going to say, okay, I confirm I have reviewed the order and I am ready to ship. So this is like the last, yep, everything looks good. I chose the right shipping method. I'm ready to ship one of these caramel boxes. Let's ship the order. Okay, great. So we've accepted the order, we've shipped the order, and now you can see there's new tracking information here for the customer, and we can print our shipping label. And a new screen will pop up with our shipping label. We recommend using a half-page label size. You print it, you put it on your package, and you drop it off at USPS, or you can schedule a pickup with USPS. So it's that simple. I hope this was really helpful. And the customer will be receiving emails with all their tracking information when the order is going out for shipping, when it's almost there, and when it's delivered. So they'll get all the tracking information automatically as your package travels. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.